I mean, you try to run me.
I didn't think it would be that quick, to be honest.
The GTR wants it, boys. Let's see if the GTR wants it. I'll probably get gapped, but hey, at least I'll get to see where the SRT is next to that thing. Heard those are quick, so we're about to find out. My bad. And one more. 1, 2, 3. So that was a stock GTR versus a 392. I actually did not think stock GTRs were that slow. God damn, I thought I would get gapped by it. And we ran it from pretty high rolls. I mean, we did like a 60 and a 70, which is really high for this car. So I don't know if he doesn't know how to drive it or whatever, but I think if we did like a lower roll, like a 40, it would I would have a better advantage. Hooking real well right now. I love it. So we're doing a little bit of a canyon cruise today. I'm gonna be having some fun with these JDM boys, some Beamers. Nah, I'm good on gas. No, I'm good.
First pull on the freeway, boost.
Oh yeah?
The timing went out, yeah.
I got it.
Victorious. This thing's so loud, bro. Oh my god.
You like my flyby while you guys were racing? Well, I attempted flyby.
When did you do a flyby? I didn't even see you.
Yeah, I didn't really. I was necking there. I was like 130 and I was like, yeah, I'll back up a bit.
Jeez. Have you guys ever ran it, you two?
Fuck. You mean the GTR?
Yeah.
Much new one?
Yeah, I haven't.
I mean, you try to run me.
I didn't think it would be that quick, to be honest.
There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go, that was a proper run. So I don't know what was happening first, but I guess this car was not working right. There we go, it makes sense now. that thing is fast. Because the first 2 runs I could not, like, it did not make sense, but now it does. That thing is freaking quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dude, what'd you do? Turn on the nitrous?
That's called good timing.
Yeah? That was insane, boys. I mean, at first, when the first 2 runs, like, I was in disbelief. I was like, there's no way my car should be beating a GTR. You know, even if it's stock, these things should be pretty damn quick. So I guess something was up with it. But all of a sudden, you know, just the switch flipped, and all of a sudden this guy's gapping me really hard. That was intense. Alrighty guys, so today we are riding with a bunch of European cars, and obviously being that I do have the SRT out here on these curvy roads, probably not the best car to have. Not gonna lie, some of these turns are very sharp, but the SRT is holding her own. So I usually have my map pulled up, especially if I'm riding a new road, just to kind of know where everything's at. Cool cars right here. Vipers and stuff. GTR right there. This is a Angeles Crest is the road that we're driving today. Oh man. Yeah, some of these turns are pretty aggressive, not gonna lie. But thankfully I have really good tires, and they're holding it down. I start off at the back of the group. I'm gonna try to work my way to the front. Here. Somebody's catless up there because I smell the fumes. Got a radar on. So that radar actually works, man. You guys saw that California Highway Patrol that just pulled up on me. Thank God I had the radar detector on, because it detected him coming down, and he was coming down pretty quick. So we pulled off because homie wants to do some donuts.
Trying to go in the middle?
What? No, I was gonna hang out at the door, bro. Okay, just be careful, don't hit that pothole. It's gonna be a bad day. Hey, bring it more this way. Bro, you got super close to that wall right there. That was pretty.
Fuck the smoke.
Damn, boy, you need new tires.
Hey man, you gotta drive.
They're gone. They're gone. They're fucking gone.
I mean, they were gone before you even started, to be honest.
The rears were good.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're not fucking good, bro.
Oh, they're chilling.
Look at this side, bro. Look at this.
Fuck.
Look how close you were to almost hitting the front.
Oh, good.
Yeah, no, you were pretty close to that wall, but no, you did good. You did good.
Thank you.
Right there, you gave me a little bit of a scare because you saw your marks. Because perception from this angle, I'm like, oh shit, bro, he's about to just freaking wipe that bank.
Proof it was us, officer.
That was pretty clean, guys. That was pretty clean. Student driver, but he did work. Gave me a little bit of a scare right here, 2 times. And that bank, he got like super close as he kind of went far out. But overall, pretty clean. Give respect to the Beamer driver for holding it down.
That's crazy.
So another BMW driver stepped up. So I guess we're getting another car going up. Hopefully no Rangers pass by though. Just gotta keep an eye on things up there and things down there. All right, we got the
If it's wet a little bit and I turn, game over.
What, are they doing a tandem or what?
Oh Jesus, they're not that good, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck no.
That's pretty good, man. That was pretty good.
That was fun.